Okay, I wanted to show you this kind of cool thing here. This is a humanoid skeleton, kind of inverted like a battle droid in Star Wars. The point behind this is if you have an HTC Vive system and you need to do a lot of testing, it's inconvenient to constantly be wearing all of the equipment that you need to use. So you build something like this. Basically, got the feet trackers and the waist tracker there, and the way it works is I can take my headset, put the headset on, grab my hand controllers, and then all I have to do is just stand in front of it, and it's got the waist tracker and the feet trackers, so I can check to see if things are working, and then, if they're not, take the stuff back off, sit back down at my chair, and work on it. The cool thing is that this system allows it to be plugged in all the time, and also if I need to check, if I'm trying to test, like the feet system, for example, in Glycon, I'm constantly messing around with that. This allows me to set very specific distances for the feet and the pelvis, and then test those. So it was a fun little project. This part here, so I don't know if I can do this with one hand without messing it up, but basically you can pull this up like this, okay, and now you have a full-size skeleton that you can attach to other trackers to. And this allows you to basically test a full skeleton, with knee and arm and elbow trackers. So that's kind of behind the scenes how I do a lot of the testing, because it's very intensive work, and it doesn't really work too well to have fake trackers. I found it's really best to have real trackers doing this stuff. Yeah, that's it. That's Mr. Testing Rig. I don't have a name for him though. If you have any suggestions for a name, I'd like to hear them. All right, thanks. Have a great day.